In this video, I will show you how to create a list in LINKcat. A very popular question for the circulation desk is, what book comes next? For example, you're engrossed in a new book series and want to know which book comes next in the series, or you want to check something out, but you don't necessarily want it right now. Let's get started. The first step to creating a list in LINKcat is to go to the website and log in. The login process was presented in another video, so if you are unfamiliar with logging in, please watch that video first. Begin by navigating to the My Dashboard page of the application, then scroll to the bottom of the page where you see a row of 3 links. Click My Lists at the bottom center of the dashboard page. You will see a pop-up menu of your active lists. But I'm assuming you're watching this video because you have no lists created at this time. So let's create. What's the next step? You guessed it. At long last, create a new list. Click the button that says Create New List. A pop-up window will appear. Now you get to name your new list. Be creative. After you've added a name for the list, you can also change how you want to sort the list by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Once you've made the selections you want, click the Create New List button. Congratulations! You've created your first list. Now let's really get crazy and add something to your new list. First, you'll need to search for something you wanted to check out, but you don't necessarily want it right now. Scroll to the top of the page where the first drop-down menu is Media Sort by keyword, title, author, or something else. Then with the next drop-down menu, select format. Is it a DVD, a book, or something else? And finally, type in search terms and click Enter or the magnifying glass at the far right. I search for C.J. Box books and will select one to add to my list. My search reveals the first book of a 24-book series, which I found out by clicking See Full Series. I want to put this book into a list for later. Click Save to your lists. You've created a new list, but your current search will also offer to create a new list. Fancy that! You've clicked Save to your lists and now have a pop-up form to fill out or click the pull-down menu for adding to an existing list. The choice is yours. Make a new list or use an existing one for this CJ Box series. By creating a name for the list, choosing the sort, then click Create New List. That's all there is to it. Congratulations, you've done it. Today, you learned how to create a list in LINKcat, and you also added a book to your new list. Do you remember how to access your list to find things you've picked? Just go back to the dashboard by clicking on the button in the upper right corner of the application. It's as easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please click the like button and leave your feedback in the comments. Also, let us know if there's another feature you'd like to learn.